Hi everybody, before I get into this video, I want to start doing these videos just for you guys from my PoshBoss HQ group. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being in my group and asking such great questions every day. I love seeing your questions. I love seeing the discussions you guys are having. I love hearing about your successes and your businesses, and it just makes me so happy every day to see every one of you on Poshmark and being so supportive of one another. So I want to start doing these question videos just for you guys, just so I can kind of answer some of these questions for you on camera. So I'm going to try and start posting these hopefully daily, if not daily, as often as I possibly can. I am still moving into my apartment and getting settled, but I do want to start getting back into a routine of listing and posting videos for you guys. I have been kind of just in this unsettled state for like a month now, and I'm just so ready to get back into a routine. I've had a bunch of you ask me about my sourcing guides and my share group. So I have created a bundle just for you guys. It comes with both my sourcing guide and my Goodwill outlet guide, as well as a membership to my private share group. That will help you guys tremendously with your closets. The sourcing guide is meant to kind of teach you what to prioritize in terms of sourcing smarter for your business. That way you can make more money by buying less items, and if you are sourcing less items that you can make more money on, you're not going to have to spend as much time listing. So that is the purpose of the sourcing guide. The Goodwill outlet guide is to kind of teach you how to buy these filler items for your closet to supplement the higher price point items, because you kind of have to have a healthy mix of both to really appeal to all sorts of customers who are looking for items at different price points. So I created this bundle just for you guys. I will link it down below in the description box. It also comes with a membership to the share group, which will help you promote your closet, meet other poshers, support other poshers, and promote your items so that you can help each other to make more money. So I will link all of that down below in the description box. But let's get into the video and today's questions that I'm going to answer for you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm actually going to be answering a couple of questions that I've seen come up a few times in my PoshBoss HQ group. That group is actually linked down below in the description box. It is my Poshmark seller discussion group that I have on Facebook. There's always a ton of discussions going on in there, a ton of questions. So I just wanted to take some time today to kind of answer a couple of those questions, just so that I can put the answers in a video, because sometimes it's just easier to answer them talking than type. So the first question comes from Margaret, and she says, I have a buyer that wants to buy a top in 2 different sizes. Every time she goes to add the second size to her bundle, it just changes the size instead of adding the second top. Does anyone know how to add both sizes to a bundle? Okay, so this is regarding if you have something in your closet that you have listed as a multiple quantity item that has different sizes. So you can list an item multiple quantity. That means you list it once and it has multiple available, so Poshmark recognizes that it has multiple available. And then if you have that same item in different sizes, it lets the customer choose which size that they want. So if you only have one listing for this item, you actually cannot add multiple of the same item to a bundle. So if you have one listing for a top that you have available in size small, medium, and large, if a person wants to buy that top in a size medium and a size large, it will not let them add a size medium and a size large to their bundle. So if you have items that are different sizes, you need to make separate listings for each size. So you would do size large, and if you have 5 of those, you'll do quantity 5. If you have size medium and you have 3 of those, you'll do quantity 3 in a separate listing. Otherwise, your customers are not going to be able to add both items to the bundle. So if you have a customer who wants to add the same item in 2 different sizes to a bundle and you don't have separate listings made for them, you can offer just to make them a custom bundle listing. So you'll just go in, and this is what we had to do before the bundle feature existed. If somebody wanted to buy multiple things, we had to create them a custom listing. So we would have to go in and create a listing that had all of their items in it and just the total price. And then that way they would just purchase the one listing, and it would include however many items, both items, 2, 3, however many they were buying. So if you are selling things that you have multiple quantity of in different sizes, I recommend making a listing for each size of the item. You can still do the quantities that you have, but that way if someone wants to buy one of each size, they can just bundle them together. But if you haven't done that, you can just make them a custom listing for it. Okay, so second question comes from Arlene, and she asks, my closet is organized by department, pants, tops, etc. I picked up a bunch of new maternity clothing today. Would you put them all together or leave them in separate departments like pants, tops, and dresses? Okay, so some people like to organize their closet by sections. Like you put all the tops together, all the dresses together, all the pants together, all the shoes together. This is not something that I have ever done. I do realize that, you know, there are people who prefer to organize their closet this way for whatever reason. Personally, I don't think that it matters if you keep them all together. Obviously, it's going to look good if your closet is like that, but I'm torn between this because I can understand having an organized closet, but then my issue with it is that if somebody comes into your closet and they're browsing your closet and you have all the tops at the top of your closet, but they want to look at dresses. Obviously, they can filter by dresses, but not a lot of people know that you can do that. So if they don't see any dresses at the top of your closet, they may not take the time to go and filter to see if you have any dresses, and they may not take the time to scroll to see if you have any dresses. So I like to keep a nice mixture of new arrivals and just a nice sampling of what is in my closet at the top of my closet. Like, pick your best items and put those at the top of your closet. Put your new arrivals at the top of your closet. You want to have a first impression on your customer. So you want to, you know, give a good variety at the top of your closet, because if that's all they see, and if, say they're looking for dresses and they come to your closet and all that's at the top of your closet are pants or tops, they may not take the time to actually go through your closet. So I like to have just a good mix of stuff at the top. I usually leave my new arrivals at the top. This is completely up to you. This is just my personal preference. I just like to kind of show the customer a variety of what I have. So it really doesn't matter if you keep them all together. You can definitely, you know, try both ways and see if you notice a difference in either direction. So those are my 2 questions for the day from my Facebook group, and I hope that they will help you. If you need clarification on anything, definitely leave me a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.